Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Learn and Earn. Myself Dayanand with Excel Daily Dose playlist. So we have progressed to day 13, match function. So very interesting function, match function, and widely used over VLOOKUP. Okay, so there is one more function called index, match and index. I am sure that you have heard of VLOOKUP, match, index. These are a very complex formula. No, they're definitely not complex formula, but they're really useful formula, right? So let me make it as simple as possible. I'll give you to the point explanation. Just explore it. Okay, so let's get started. But before which, so quickly hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell button, the bell icon, so I can send you a notification every time I make a new video. So in our channel, I make videos on Excel learning, Excel macros, Excel basics, advanced functions, etc. Right, so let's begin. Here, this is a function in match function. Look at this. On the left hand side, I have list of employee IDs and I have names of those employees, right? Let me show you what VLOOKUP does, and this is the value I'm looking at. Okay, and also I'll show you what match can do for that. Now, with this, um, VLOOKUP, the most of you know it already. If you haven't, to quickly go to another video of my channel here, the day 7 and the same playlist, advanced functions. Watch this and come back to this, right? And okay, if you have watched, good to continue. VLOOKUP, this is my lookup value and this is my table array. And now I should say I would like to look for the second value and with exact match that returns Sachin. That is 2015852. Perfect. So this VLOOKUP is reading the value from the second column. Say for example, when I change this one to some other employee, I could say Krishna. Right now, this is the scope of VLOOKUP, and what match can do. Match will not give you or retrieve you some other value in the range, but match can tell you the position of this lookup value. Okay, let me show this and then explain you. Okay, match requires only three arguments. Number one, the lookup value itself, same like our VLOOKUP. Number two, the lookup array, again same like our VLOOKUP, but lookup array will not be the array, will not be a table, will just be a one single column or a row. Let's say this is the column. Okay, and the last one is keep it always zero, nothing but exact match. Okay, so you can use 1 and -1 for the less than and greater than respectively. That's it, close it. So now in simple words, match does retrieve the position of the lookup value but not the corresponding column value like VLOOKUP. So a situation where you need to know the position of any lookup value is the match is the best function. Now match is not alone used most of the time, and I never use a match, just with simple match. I always use it combining with one more function called index, something called index and then match, right? So in the next video we learn what is index is, but for now know what it is. Just whenever you get to see, if you want to retrieve a value, retrieve a position of the value, use this. You can also use this for one more one more method to in place of in replacing VLOOKUP. For example, imagine a situation where I would like to know whether this employee ID present in the lookup or not, present in the range or not. Okay, say if the employee ID does not available, it does not present in the range, it simply says NA. So with this knowledge, we'll hold on to the match function, and we again come back to the match function with the help of index function in the next video. Until then, you take care, and yes, keep practicing daily, because it is a daily dose, daily one formula. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And if you like this content, please hit the like button. Leave your comment on how am I doing. That helps me a lot and to get you very good content in the next videos. Okay, thank you. Take care. Happy day. Happy learning.